In this question, the principle given is that of the offense of culpable homicide. The facts say that A and B were enemies, and once A slapped B's son for breaking the window pane. They both had a fight, and in the heat of the moment, B tried to stab A with a pen. A was alert and still received a cut on his left arm and on his chest. So, after this, A started to bleed, but instead of going to the doctor, he just asked the servant to wipe off the blood and tied a piece of cloth around his wounds. This led to his wounds becoming septic, resulting in his death due to septicemia. Now, B was charged with the crime of culpable homicide. Now, what does the principle say? The definition of culpable homicide says, whoever causes death by doing an act with the intention of causing death. So over here, although there might be a fight between the two, but A never had the intention of causing B's death. Then, or with the intention of causing such bodily injury as is likely to cause death. Even if they were in a fight, B never wanted to cause a bodily injury which is likely to cause death. He took a pen and tried to stab with a pen, which definitely shows that he wanted to hurt him, but he did not want to cause such an injury which is likely to cause death. Neither he had the knowledge that he is likely by such act to cause death. So even he did not even have the knowledge that because of a pen, a simple wound by a pen would lead to someone's death. So he did not have any reason to kill A. And the death of A was caused due to the wounds becoming septic. Septicemia was the result of the fact behind the death of A. Hence, B cannot be held guilty for his death. So therefore, option A and option B could not be the answer because they hold B guilty. Option C says that B is not guilty of culpable homicide as he had no intention of causing death nor causing such injury as is likely to cause death, or with the knowledge that his act would cause death. This is exactly on the lines what the principle says. D says B is not guilty as his act was done under the influence of rage, impairing his mental faculties. Therefore, he could not have formed the necessary intention to commit any crime. So D is talking only about intention, whereas C is giving all the reasons which are there in the principle. Therefore, C is the correct option.